Now it's time to add a deethanizer. We will add a distillation column. Let's write it here. This column. Double click on it. And we will name it DC2. The inlet stream is coming, DC2 feed is coming to stage number 2. Make sure that it's 14 stages according to the case we have. Now we will name the outlet streams. DC2 overhead, DC2 distillate, DC2 bottom, DC2 reboiler Q, and DC2 condenser Q. In this time, we have an overhead condenser, so we will add a condenser duty, unlike the demethanizer. Please note that we have the option to make a partial reflux over here, or a full reflux, or no overhead vapor. It's according to the case you have or the design you have. Also, you could add a water draw from here. Nothing to be changed here. And also here, nothing to be changed with the reboiler configuration. The condenser pressure from the case. Condenser pressure drop. Reboiler pressure. Then temperatures. And remember, they are estimates, so HYSYS can change them according to the calculations. Then vapor rate, the vapor rate we have, and the distillate rate is 0. We do not have a liquid outlet from here, and the reflux ratio on molar basis, as you can see, it's 2.5. Now it's done. Let's go to monitor. The degree of freedom here is 0, and all activated specifications have been already specified. We can find values over here in front of them. So now we can run the column. It's converged. And as we did in the last column, we do not like to fix the vapor rate. However, we did that to let HYSYS to design the column. Now we want to replace that by bottom stream quality requirements. So we will deactivate this specification and add another one, which is column component ratio. As indicated in our case, we want the bottom stream to have very minor ethane. So ethane to propane to be 1%. I call this C2 over C3. From the reboiler stage, and the value here is 0.01. The numerator is ethane and denominator is propane. Now the degree of freedom is 0 and the column already converged. The liquid stream coming out from this column will go through a valve to decrease its pressure. The inlet DC2 bottom, and the outlet will be DC3 feed. And the pressure has been decreased to 1690 kilopascal. I'll add it to the outlet stream from here. It's already solved, and now it's time to add the last column. Let's do it in the next lecture.